Imagine you run a business. You have a contact form on your website so customers can reach you. But every day, that form fills up with junk. That is, people trying to sell you website services, fake offers, and sometimes even rude or abusive messages. And buried somewhere in all of that noise is a real customer trying to book your services, and you get that missed. We built something that fixes that completely. And that's a contact form where an AI reads every message even before it reaches your inbox. Real customers will be able to get through, and everything else gets deleted before you ever see it. I'm Fight, co-founder of Orchestrix alongside Nika. We build AI systems that takes the manual, repetitive work businesses. Let me show you what we built. We built these for a dental practice. Let's call them Bright Smile Dental. But before I show you how it works, let me explain the problem. A dental practice gets messages through their website every day. Some are real, that is, customers are trying to book a checkup, or they want to know the cost of teeth whitening, or they want to be sure their practice takes their insurance. And those messages are important because every one of them could be a paying client. However, this was mixed with dozens of junk messages. People offering to build them a new website. People promising to get them to the top of Google. Sales pitches, even rude and abusive messages. And the receptionist was overwhelmed. She spent real time every day trying to sort through all this. And in all of these, sometimes genuine patient messages get missed. And for a business, that means lost money. That's the problem. Now, let me show you what we built to solve. This is the system we built, and I'm going to walk you through what happens from the moment a patient submits a form on the website. This is the very first step. When a patient submits a contact form on the website, their name, email, phone, and message comes into here. Now, the second step, the moment they submit, the message comes through into the first step, and we have the second step, extract their details. Now to the third step, this is the clever part of it. The message will get read by AI, not a human now, to determine if this is a junk, real message. Now we have the step 4 that reads our AI decision. Now to step 5, based on decision, one of two happen. It's a real patient that we approve or junk messages that we reject. Now, if it is a real business message, it gets sent to our inbox for the receptionist that is the front desk to see. If it is junk, the message deleted. It never reaches the inbox. Now, I want to show you the single most important decision we made when building this system. We taught the AI how to decide, and we gave it one crucial instruction, which is when genuinely and whether a message is a real patient, choose approved. Let me prove this works. I'm going to send 2 different messages, a real inquiry and a junk message, and we'll see how these work in real time. This is our form. I'm going to quickly fill this form, and I'm going to submit this. Let's go to our system and check how is it. It's running. Wow, this went into our inbox. So this will be sitting in the inbox of front desk. I'm going to refresh it because it's going to come in. Now we have it here. You can see new patient. It has the name, the email, the phone number, and the message. Now let's go. I'm going to submit another form, which will be a spam or junk message. I'm going to send this now. 2 things would happen. This is not going to go into our inbox. However, this will be deleted even in our tally submissions. Let's check our tally submissions to be sure of what we have then. Here in our tally submission, we only have 1 submission. I'm going to submit this. submitted, and immediately it will appear here. As we can see, we have it here. However, it will be deleted. Let's see. It's going to run. Now it's running. Because junk email, we want to delete it. So this did not go into our Gmail. However, we've used this to delete the submission. If inside that, let's see. Can you see? We only have this submission here. The other spam message has been deleted. So that's the system we built. Only real customers get through to the inbox. Messages like spam, sales pitches, or rude messages get deleted even before anyone sees it. And the front desk gets signed back and never misses any genuine enquiries. This doesn't only work for a dental practice. Any business with a contact form has this exact problem. And if your inbox is full of junk and you're worried about missing real customers' inquiries, this can fix this challenge. If you want something like this built for your business, reach out to us at Orchestrix. The link to book a call is in the description. In the next video, I will show you exactly how this was built, step by step, so you to build yours alone. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.